In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and re-verify your documents in the Dasher app. Keeping your account details current is essential for staying active and avoiding unexpected pauses in your ability to dash. Whether your driver's license just renewed, your insurance changed, or you received a prompt to confirm your documents again, this walkthrough will help you handle it smoothly from start to finish. First, open the Dasher app and navigate to account details. You'll typically find this by tapping your profile or the menu icon and then selecting your account or profile settings. This is where all of your key information lives, including your driver's license and insurance. Take a moment to look around so you know where each document is stored and what the app is asking for. Next, edit the necessary fields, such as your driver's license or insurance. Make sure the information you type matches exactly what's on your documents, including names, policy numbers, and expiration dates. Small typos can cause avoidable delays. If you're updating insurance, confirm that your policy is active and that the coverage dates are correct. For your license, check both the number and the expiration date before you proceed. If you've received any emails asking you to re-verify, follow those instructions carefully. These messages usually include a reminder of what needs updating and may contain a link back to the app or a secure portal. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder, watch for any deadlines, and only use official links from trusted sources. If the email indicates specific requirements like uploading both sides of your license or a particular file type, follow those directions exactly to prevent back and forth. When you upload your images, ensure everything is clear, current, and not expired to avoid rejection. Use good lighting, lay the document on a flat surface, and keep the entire document in the frame with all corners visible. Avoid glare or shadows, wipe your camera lens if needed, and don't apply filters or heavy edits. If both sides are required, upload them separately and check that all text, dates, and barcodes are legible. A quick preview before you submit can save a lot of time. Before you finalize, double-check your documents to prevent delays in account verification. Confirm names, numbers, and dates, and make sure your photos are crisp and readable. After submitting, you may see a pending review status. That's normal. You'll get an in-app notification or an email once it's approved, or if something needs correction. That's all you need to update and re-verify your documents in the Dasher app. Thanks for watching, and keep your info current so you're always ready to dash.